If you're trying to pay off debt, you've probably heard about two popular strategies: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. One focuses on motivation, the other focuses on math. But which one actually helps you get out of debt faster? In this video, we're breaking down how both methods work, the pros and cons of each, and which strategy might be best for your situation. The debt snowball method was popularized by Dave Ramsey. Here's how it works. You list all your debts from smallest balance to largest balance, regardless of interest rate. Then, you make minimum payments on everything and throw every extra dollar at the smallest debt first. Once that debt is gone, you roll that payment into the next debt. Like a snowball rolling downhill, your payments grow bigger and bigger. For example, you might have a $500 credit card, a $2,000 car loan, and a $10,000 student loan. With the snowball method, you'd attack the $500 debt first. The biggest advantage? Quick wins. Paying off smaller debts early gives you momentum and motivation to keep going. Now let's talk about the debt avalanche method. This strategy focuses on interest rates instead of balances. You list your debts from highest interest rate to lowest interest rate. Then, pay minimums on everything and attack the debt with the highest interest first. So if you have a credit card at 25% interest, a car loan at 7%, and student loans at 4%, you'd focus on the credit card first, even if it's not the smallest balance. Why? Because high interest debt costs you the most money over time. The avalanche method usually saves you more money and more time overall. Here's the real difference. The debt snowball is based on behavior. The debt avalanche is based on optimization. Mathematically, the avalanche method is usually better because you pay less interest, but personal finance isn't just math, it's psychology too. Some people stay motivated by seeing quick wins from the snowball method. Others are motivated by saving the most money possible with the avalanche method. The best strategy is the one you'll actually stick with consistently. Choose the debt snowball if you struggle with motivation, feel overwhelmed by debt, or need quick progress to stay focused. Choose the debt avalanche if you want to minimize interest, are disciplined, and care about paying debt off as efficiently as possible. And honestly, you can even combine both. Some people pay off one small debt first for momentum, then switch to the avalanche method afterward. At the end of the day, both methods work. What matters most is consistency, avoiding new debt, and continuing to make progress every month. Because becoming debt-free isn't about perfection, it's about building better financial habits over time. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Are you Team Snowball or Team Avalanche?